Learn about .NET application. The Microsoft .NET Framework, or the .NET application, is a program can be easily installed on computers and workstations that work on Microsoft Windows operating systems. The main purpose of the framework is to serve as the scaffold and skeleton by which most program developers use to create programs for the Windows line of operating systems. If you want to be a competitive programmer, you certainly have to include familiarity and mastery of the .NET application as one of your core competencies. Majority of computer users, especially business users, run Windows on their computers, so creating programs for this market can be quite a lucrative effort. To learn more about the .NET application, you may try the following options. Trainings. If you're already working as a programmer in your firm, you can ask your superiors for further training on .NET applications. Most companies invest in advancing their employees' skill set by funding their continuing education with regard to emerging frameworks and programming languages. This will probably be counterweighed by longer contracts or commitments to the company. But if you have no plans of leaving your company soon, this should not be a problem. Computer schools. You can also choose to study the program under specialty institutions and computer centers. There are plenty of them in various town centers, so you will have a good pool to choose from. If you're still working full-time, you can choose part-time, bi-weekly classes that still allow you to attend even with a full-time job. Online tutorials. As you would have predicted, there are plenty of online tutorials for .NET applications. A quick search on any search engine would yield hundreds of modules that could set you up to speed. Aside from these tutorials, there are also online programs that would also enable you to train and learn the ropes for a fee. The .NET application is relatively straightforward, but a lot of it's still pretty complicated due to its sheer volume. Try to master it little by watching or studying one module at a time. The applications work on different languages innate to the program, and there are a lot of environments like the Common Language Runtime and other execution environments on which your code is translated and retranslated until they turn into the results that you want on your software. Certification. Certification is always a good idea. This enables you to raise your market value as professional. It also communicates your desire to improve your skill set and be a better programmer to your boss and/or potential employers. Practice. Practice makes perfect. Familiarity with a new system doesn't come overnight. The more you work with the .NET application, the more you'll develop a level of comfort with it. Once you've gotten the hang of it, you'll be working like it's just like one of your typical programming frameworks. It might seem like a daunting task, but with enough research and determination, anything is possible. Remember that as with any programming language, the .NET framework is also a fast-evolving one. Therefore it pays to keep yourself updated often.